Number 3, similar. We're going to find 4 points on the inverse, and then we're going to express each of those as integer values or simplified fractions. So first we need to find the inverse. We're given y equals negative 2x minus 2. All right, so to find the inverse, you're going to change the places of x and y. So I'm going to write an x over here, and then negative 2y minus 2. And then we're going to solve for y, get y by itself. So I would add 2 to both sides, so that would give me x plus 2 equals negative 2y. So if I add 2, that goes to 0, add, and becomes over here. And then divide by negative 2. And that will give me x plus 2 divided by negative 2 equals y. Okay, so this is our equation. I want to pick some nice numbers that are divisible by 2, so I'm going to go with all even numbers. I'm going to let x equal 0, 2, 4, and 6. So if I were to plug a 0 here, 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 divided by negative 2 gives me a negative 1. If I plug in a 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. And then a 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 divided by negative 2, negative 3. And so you can kind of see the pattern. This should be a negative 4 if you worked it out. So I got 4 ordered pairs. 0, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 4, negative 3, and 6, negative 4. Now again, we want to find the domain and the range of the inverse. So what you will notice, let me rewrite this in a different format. So we have y equals x plus 2 over negative 2. Now you should notice this is a linear equation. I'm going to clean it up again one more step. Both of these numbers are being divided by negative 2, so I'm going to separate them. Y equals x over 2, and it is negative. And then 2 divided by negative 2 gives us a negative 1. So this is just a linear equation. Domain and range are all real numbers. You know from the fact that there's no fraction with a variable in the bottom, there's no square root, even root, and there's no logarithm. So graphing this would give us a linear equation crossing at negative 1, and our slope is 1 over 2, so I will go from here down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2. So I have a line kind of somewhat flat like this, not very steep. Had I graphed it. So domain and range will be all real numbers. Let me see if I can just use the all real numbers key this time, just to be a shortcut. So negative infinity to positive infinity were all real numbers.